Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a backup camera for a Hyundai Sonata. First, gather your tools, a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and your new camera. Make sure the replacement camera is specifically designed for your vehicle. Working in a well-lit area will ensure you can see clearly and work safely throughout the process. Next, open your trunk and carefully remove the interior trim panels. Use your trim removal tool to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the trim is off, you will see the existing backup camera and its wiring harness. Disconnect the electrical connector and remove any screws or clips holding the old camera in place. Now, take your new backup camera and mount it securely in the exact spot where the old one was. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness, making sure it clicks into place. Double-check that all connections are snug and secure to prevent any loose contacts or future operational problems with your new camera. Finally, before reassembling everything, test your new camera. Put your car in reverse and check your display to ensure the camera is working correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reinstall all the trunk trim panels, making sure they fit properly and are securely fastened. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.